Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm here in Thailand on a very breezy evening. You can see very windy here just at the edge of the coast. Magnificent place, Thailand. If you've never been, I suggest that you get yourself out there at some point because it is incredible. Now, the reason I'm here is to get some time out from my business, to get some clarity. And sometimes you just need to spend some time working on your business rather than in your business. And you need to work out the strategies that you're going to use in the coming months and look at where you are and what results you've got in the last few months and reevaluate what worked and what didn't work and get a plan for the coming months. And that's why I'm here, because when you're in the same environment all the time, when you're in the same office and you've got all the same people around you all the time, you don't really get time to think. And taking time out is essential to being successful in your business. People like Bill Gates are renowned for doing this. He takes time out from his business, from Microsoft, to spend time having a week just reading books. He literally has a week where he goes away, he picks some books that are relevant to business and development and just reads them and comes up with ideas and strategies that he's going to use to take Microsoft even further forward in the coming months. So you should be looking at that too, and let me know, is that something you practice in your business already? If you do, comment below. If you don't, let me know. I'd love to maybe give you some ideas and suggestions. And if you're liking the videos that me and Jason are making each and every day, make sure you give us some likes and some hearts. It really inspires us to get more videos out to more entrepreneurs. And tag your friends. You know other entrepreneurs and business owners, so tag them below. Make sure they're watching our videos too, and we'll see you soon. Thanks guys, bye for now.